I have this triggered soldering iron made by Welding, and I thought I'd make a bigger head for plastic welding. So I decided to put these two washers together and then make these two pins and then lay that on the washers and weld them in. Lucky for me, there's a guy here at work that's pretty good at welding, and he said he'd take on the task for me. Making an iron for the plastic welding. So here he's welding the pins onto the head. I'm going to cut them a little short too. So here's the finished product. Backside I don't care because it's ugly, but I ground down the front side and made it really smooth. Saw this ugly trash can, thought I'd try it out. Here I'm testing it out. Results are pretty good. Had an idea for a couple of other shapes, and I've got a concave, convex, and a triangle. Hey, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and send me $1.